In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Mediawiki on Ubuntu. The Mediawiki website says it is not compatible with PHP7.2, but the Ubuntu 20.04 comes with PHP7.2. So I'm going to install it on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Let's check the PHP version. Type in PHP-v, it shows it has PHP7.2 already installed. Move to the install folder, cd var www folder. Next folder we are going to install mkdir story time. Cd story time. We are going to make two folders. One is called HTML and another is called download. Cd download. Use wget to download the latest stable release. Download is finished. Extract the file. Have a look of this file. Move the file to the HTML folder. We got all files ready. Now we need to configure the Apache2. Create a new file called storytime. Insert the configuration. The document root point to the storytime. Save it. Enable the site. Reload the Apache2. The server-side installation is finished. Open the web browser and input the domain. This is the web page to complete the installation. Click Complete the installation. Click Continue. Click Continue again. Input the database name for the website. Input the database root username and password. Root user is used to create a new database. Click Continue. Select Use the same account as for installation. Click Continue. Input name of the wiki. Input the website admin username and password. Click Continue. Click Continue. It takes a few minutes for this step. This Install Information page shows most of the steps have been finished. Click Continue. Local setting.php is generated in a pop-up window. It needs to be put into the HTML folder. Click Save File and OK. To save the local settings.php to local PC, switch to SSH console. Go to the HTML folder. Create a new file called local settings.php. Paste contents and save. The local settings.php has been created. Go back to the web browser. Input the website domain. It takes a while for the first page to show up. Alternatively, you can click Enter the wiki. The wiki website is up and running. Please click subscribe to support me. Thank you.